Hey kids! Welcome to the Plural Party. Today, we're going to learn how to change one thing into many things. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this apple. It's just one apple. But what if we want more than one apple? We add an S at the end to make it apples.
One apple. Many apples.
Now, let's join the plural parade. Look, here comes a cat. One cat becomes many cats.
One cat. Many cats.
And here is a cup. One cup becomes many cups.
One cup
becomes many cups.
Many cups.
Sometimes just adding an S isn't enough. For words that end in S, X, O, CH, or SH, we need to add ES. Let's see.
One bus. One bus becomes many buses.
One bus. Many buses.
And look at this box. One box. Many boxes.
One box. Many boxes.
Now, let's learn about another special way to make plurals, adding IES. We use IES for words that end in a consonant followed by Y. Here's one berry. When we have more than one, we change the Y to IES to make it berries.
One berry becomes berries.
Let's see another example. Here's one baby. More than one baby becomes babies. Now it's time for a game. I'll show you a word, and you tell me the plural. One bus. What's the plural?
Buses.
Great job. Let's try another. One fox. What's the plural?
Foxes.
Fantastic. Here's one more. One berry. What's the plural?
Berries.